the bike's done now. I had to stop filming because a security guard came over and told me to stop filming. Anyways, I'm heading towards Prague now. Seems to be like 25 degrees Celsius outside and sunny, so it should be a nice ride. I left the airport, found myself a GPS signal, so now I'm heading towards Prague, and I think I'll be there in about 1 hour or so. Found myself a nice cycle path a few kilometers from the airport. Hope I can cycle on this for a few kilometers. That would be really nice. Didn't expect it to be this hilly here in Prague. Looked really flat when I landed at the airport, but if I look at the Garmin now, I can see that I'm almost at the top now, so hopefully just have downhill from here on out. To Prague.
The other one has it on there too.
Well, it's like the old standard Devon that I had in Spain and Portugal, but with the addition of discs, front and back, of course.
Yeah. And a lock.
And a lock, yeah. Locks the back wheel. Typical Dutch bike. No, there's a lot of good bikes on the market, but the integration is in the action. You know, once you're on the bike and moving, and then that's when you feel what the build of the bike's all about. It all pays for itself, I hope. Paparazzi.
Like definitely, yeah. So definitely visit it. It's really cool.
So we finally found some food at a vegetarian restaurant here in Prague.